Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's another Monday and as promised, I'm here with another video. If you're new here, you're welcome to join the family, so do well to subscribe. My name is Chidima and today I'm going to show you how I made this yummy puff puff that is so easy to put together. So just sit back and enjoy. Before we start, let me walk you through everything you need for this recipe. You need all-purpose flour, of course, and in this bowl I have 2 cups of flour which weighs about 250 grams. You need half cup of sugar which will serve as a sweetener. You can use honey if you like, but note that you need to reduce the amount of water a bit. You need powdered milk, which is optional but highly recommended. It really helps to hold the batter together and also makes it taste even better. You'll need a tiny bit of salt to balance out the sweetness. Some nutmeg for flavor and aroma. You can buy the seed and crush into powder, which in my opinion has better flavor than the sachet ones, but I just buy this for convenience. You need vanilla flavor. Trust me, it takes your puff puff to another level, so don't skip it. And of course, you need yeast. You can find different kinds in the market. This particular one is an instant dry yeast, but if you're using the active dry, you need to prove that in lukewarm water before using. Now you want to start by adding all the ingredients shown earlier to your flour, except the vanilla, which is going to come in later. Just mix everything together and then add your lukewarm water. Please, your water shouldn't be hot or else it would kill your yeast. So if you dip your hands in the water for a few seconds and it doesn't burn, then it's okay to use. So once everything is fully combined, you add your vanilla and mix properly. If you want to learn how to make perfect round balls, then you definitely need to watch the last video I uploaded. I'll link it in the description box together with the full recipe, so don't forget to check that out. Now cover and allow to rest for 30 minutes, and after resting it should double if not triple in size. Now mix it very well to release all the air bubbles. If you skip this step, your puff puff will lose its shape after frying, so make sure to beat it well with your hands or whatever. Now heat up some oil in a pot or a frying pan. I dropped a tiny bit of butter to check if the oil was ready, and as you can see, it came right to the top within seconds. So let's start frying. Gently drop your batter into the pot. Make sure you're a bit fast about it because you want everything to fry evenly. If you watched this video to this point, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're yet to. Drop a comment if you can. I really want to hear from you. What do you think about this video? So guys, this is how easy it is to make your own puff puff at home. I hope you've learned a thing or two from this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all the good stuff. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next one. Goodies always from Chidi.